Hi guys, today is Tuesday, second trading day of the week, and market is down a little bit overall, and it's like a continuation of yesterday, but still in a very tight range. And I suspect that after today's moving, the way the indices are moving, right, this week could be a week of consolidation after last week's strong upward move, right? But today's update is because mainly of my profit signal has already triggered a trade. Let's jump in and I'll show you that trade. Okay, so we are at my screen right now. We can see that overall, you can see over here the indices after market open kept on going down, right? So we can see over here is down roughly 0.5% for S&P and Nasdaq, right? And for Dow Jones, is down slightly more than 0.5%. So it's like a continuation of yesterday, whereby it was pretty much not moving much, consolidating, and today the consolidation continue, and in fact selling came in, right? So bringing the indices down. And I suspect maybe because of last week's strong movement, right, there may be some selling and profit taking for this week, right? Okay. Overall, I still feel like this month is still quite a bullish month, especially last week. It was a very strong movement, right? In fact, if you look at the weekly time frame, right, last week itself, the S&P is up almost 5%, right? 4.64% to be exact. And even for Nasdaq, right, it was up about 5.35%, right? Okay, so it was a very strong movement kind of thing, right? And if you look at my profit signal, it just hit take profit as of Friday, and normally after you take profit, normally you will consolidate a bit and drift a little bit down, right? Okay, but overall quite okay in the sense that in terms of my Boeing, I shorted and it's now going lower, and there's a new trade in Intel, right? Okay, I went in late, right? Because I have a training going on earlier, where I train my full-time traders how to trade the live markets. So when I ended, then I went in. So it didn't move much. In fact, moved up a little bit. So it was a short trade, and now basically roughly slight $1 or $2 loss, right? As you can see just now. That's the new trade I want to mention, right? Following the profit signal, and because it has already moved out of my entry price a little bit, so I reduced my risk. I reduced my risk, right? Okay, I reduced my risk a little bit because I couldn't get in at my entry price. But maybe after, if it does bounce up a little bit, right? Okay, somewhere here I might go back in with the remaining of my risk, right? Okay, but overall things are still looking quite good. If you look at my portfolio, right, my equity actually, even though the indices are going down, and since yesterday it was not going up much, and today is down a little bit, you can see that my equity actually still stay about 4,800 ish, right, closing into 4,009, right? And my running profit is still around at $42, right? Okay, and of course yesterday I took two take profit, right, on Starbucks and Oracle, which you can see in my previous video, right? Just yesterday, right? So but overall what is looking good is Boeing, right? Okay, because Boeing has moved, right, and is nearer to my take profit zone, and you can see that because of that, Boeing is now giving me $20 of profit, which is a good profit. The rest is slightly moving against me, but overall still quite okay in the sense that I do see like Intel is also a sell, right? Okay, there's a reason why it's triggering sell, because market is selling down, right? Okay, hopefully the consolidation or correction may not be so strong for this week, right? Okay, and depending on how it ends the week, maybe it may even continue till next week, right? We see how it goes, and I'll update you when I'm more sure of how it is going to move in the days ahead, after seeing how price react to the current market, right? Okay, that's all from me. Thank you for watching, and I'll update you again in my next video. May the profits be with you. See you again.
Hope you loved the video and learned something new from it. If you want to receive more videos like this, hit that subscribe button and ring that bell for notification. And if you want to learn more about the trade to win formula that I use in my trades, click on the link or button around this video to join my next free online workshop. In the workshop, you'll learn everything from finding the best opportunities to making consistent winning trades in the markets. I'll see you on the inside.